Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume down at the same time. And there we are. So this takes us to boot mode. Now in here you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down to the options, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. I'll quickly go to the options that we have. We will start off with start. Going down we have restart bootloader, which just takes us back here. Recovery mode, which takes us to recovery mode. Then power off, barcode, bootloader logs, and back to start. So that's all the options we have in here. So to leave this mode, I'm gonna stick with start, power, and like I said, this will now take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.